Fuck yeah, bro. Turn that a GoPro on.
I did.
Get it up there. Man, as soon as it dropped, it ran towards you.
Ran towards it, right?
Oh, yeah.
Don't crack buckle it.
Come on, baby.
Oh yeah. Where are you?
Go.
Dude, it's right fucking forearm.
Throw some water on the reel. He's got a really big back.
It's gonna come around with.
I got you doing. Watch the rod.
Yeah. I'm gonna power him this way.
Beautiful rod. Got him.
Oh yeah.
Look at this, man. Beautiful red. That's my dude. That's 26, 27, man. Look at the color on that thing.
Fuck.
Look at that gold.
Ooh, it took the lure too. Look at that.
Damn, bro.
Beauty.
Beautiful. Good hooker.
And we both saw him. I saw him and said, oh yeah. It's right there. Good idea. Oh, fuck.
26, 27, bro.
Yeah, he's a slot. He's a nice.
He's a perfect tournament red.
Yeah.
26?
26.
And a half.